What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Fangirl by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I will make you eat Lil Peeps, and those shits are disgusting. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 2nd fret. It's got 4 different chords that repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there, as well as a bunch of other really useful information for you guys. So if you need that, jump into the video description. Once you get done, it's there for you. You're starting out with a C major chord. It's going to be 032010. Then D minor, which is 000231. A minor, which is 002210. And then G major, which is 320003. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now, I was trying to sort out the picking stuff that happens throughout the song, but it is really hard to kind of make it out. So I'm going to show you what I found that's like very close. The picking in the beginning is they're picking that C chord, but just on 3 and 2, and they're picking A or D A D A D A, and then open D A on 2. So 3 and 2, A and D, and just A D A D A D, go down to open on D and 2 on A for one time. So it's something like that. That might not be 100% accurate, but that's very close. So again, D A D A D A D A D A D A D A, and then go to G, which is 3 on the E, 2 on the A E. Now during the 2nd verse, there is another guitar part that's picking. Again, I'm not sure if this is 100% right, but I know that it is very, very close. They stay in the C major chord, and they're picking high E and B, just back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then they're taking their index finger off and picking B, G, and D. It's B, G, D, B, G, D, B, G. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 on E and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then B, G, D, B, G, D, it starts all over. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.